I've got the Galaxy Z Fold 8, and let me show you how to create a photo collage with this phone. So if you go into your gallery and go to the gallery, and as you can see, we have plenty of photos here. So you can pick the photos you want in your collage. So I'm gonna go selecting the photos that I want. I have that and that, and let me pick a couple more. That, maybe that, and that one. Okay, so I have selected 6 photos that I want in a collage. So once you select them, you should see the option create. So you tap on that, then you have the option to create a GIF, a collage, or a movie. So I'm gonna select collage, and then it's gonna give me that collage in that pattern. Now you can choose different collage patterns, as you can see, until you get the one that suits you or the one you currently want. Okay, and then you have even different ideas for the frame. And once you get the collage you want, you can go ahead and tap on save. That's gonna save that collage in your gallery. It's literally that simple. Good luck.